Francis Nyenze was and shall remain God's most wonderful gift to me, coming only second to the gift of salvation. It was the Lord who brought us together, and he preserved our union till death has done us apart.
I come here to pay tribute to a friend, to a warrior, to a patriot. Francis Nyenze was a man with exceptional qualities. I worked with him in Parliament, but I knew him a lot earlier.
I stand here to testify that Francis Nyenze put the interests of the country ahead of his own or any other political consideration. Let me also say that it is true we have lost Nyenze because of cancer. Cancer continues to claim lives of many Kenyans, and that is why we made universal health care one of the 4 principal areas that we intend to target in the next 5 years.